Thanks to a new post from reliable tipster at the Galax, we're getting a glimpse at some major upgrades that could make the Z Fold 7 Samsung's most exciting foldable in years. 4.5mm thickness, unfolded, 8-inch interior display, 6.5-inch cover screen, 200-megapixel main camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, UI 8 based on Android, 16. Upgraded under-display camera, smaller crease, stronger display, better water and dust resistance, bigger vapor chamber, improved speakers and vibration motor. The Fold 7 could finally ditch that awkward crease. Samsung showcased a nearly creaseless panel at MWC 2025, and the new 8-inch inner display is expected to be both bigger and more durable. The 4.5mm thickness when unfolded, that would make it one of the slimmest foldables ever, and that's a big deal for usability and portability. Now here's where things get interesting. The main camera might jump to a massive 200-megapixel sensor. That's ultra-tier territory, putting it on par with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We're also hearing about a better under-display camera, though details are still vague. But if Samsung can clean up the selfie quality while keeping the screen distraction-free, that's a win. Under the hood, we could see the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, likely an overclocked AI-tuned version of the 8 Gen 3. On the software side, One UI 8 is rumored to launch with the Fold 7, but after the messy rollout of One UI 7, we'll have to wait and see if Samsung gets it right. We'll likely hear more about Android 16 at Google I/O this May, which will give us more clarity on the Fold 7 software experience. Samsung's also looking to improve thermal performance with a larger vapor chamber, meaning better heat dissipation for gaming and multitasking. Plus, the Fold 7 might bring stronger speakers, an improved vibration motor, and even better dust and water resistance, all areas where foldables usually fall short. The Fold 6 already felt overpriced for what it offered, and with US tariffs potentially increasing cost, Samsung needs more than just incremental upgrades. If these rumors are true, the Z Fold 7 might finally justify its price tag, but if it's another small update, Samsung could lose serious ground to rivals like OnePlus and Huawei. We're expecting a launch around July 2025, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7. So stay tuned, because things are about to get interesting. What do you think? Is the Z Fold 7 finally worth the upgrade, or are you switching teams this year? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next big foldable leak.